Jesus. These kids are going to have to get dunked in a bath of water somewhere. They are like sand filled.
I'm not that fat, gang. I did it.
All the cracks and crevices are filled with sand. Look at the skies, right? These clouds. I got to get it on faraway shots to really experience. Oh, there's more kites down there. Was that a dog that just lived down there? No, that was a person. The wind is starting to crank now. I just want to get these kids clean. I'm like looking at this water. I'm like, if this is the Okeechobee Locks, I'm not. Look at these guys just stalking something up there. All of them. Hey, they're circling stuff, man. What the heck? You know? Just like circling. Look, here come you.